2, 1, go.
All right, and we're back. It's time for match number 10. We've got Eagles versus Eagles, Jaguars versus Tigers, and Math versus Magic in this match. Red Alliance pulling ahead so far. Blue Alliance still keeping up a good pace. On the blue side of the field, we've got FOX and Jaguars. They still have fuel in their machines. They're going to be ready to add that to their fuel as soon as this transition period begins, and we're into teleop. On the red side of the field, we've got two robots already trying to score, empty out their hoppers. Titanium looks like they've still got fuel to score, and they've got only a couple seconds to do it. The scores are close. This is Blue's time to take back the lead and show what they're made of, but it looks like Blue's partner, Robcobots, are down for the count. They're going to need some help, all the energy they can get from FOX scoring, and it looks like Jaguars are going to try and put up some defense, slow down those red scoring machines to make sure that the Blue Alliance can come out on top. That sound means it's Red's turn to score, and Red is already holding the lead. They've got a decisive advantage here, but they've got to play as hard as they can. Wired Wizards shooting, but it looks like their aim is off. They're going to need to dial that back in as they continue through this tournament. They're also facing some defense from the Jaguars, slowing them down, making it harder for them to pick up additional fuel. All in all, very intense action on the red side of the field, but now it's time to look at Blue. We've got FOX taking that full field to score, bringing that Blue Alliance only 5 points away from Red. Wired Wizards stealing more fuel from the blue side of the field. FOX lining up to take another volley. They've got 5 seconds left in this shift, and there they go, launching that fuel. Looks like a lot of it bounces out. So Red Alliance is still 1 point ahead as we move into the 5th shift. And now the Red Alliance is trying to push that gap even further, bringing them up over 60 points. They're over 10 points ahead of the Blue Alliance now, and counting as Titanium continues to shoot. Wired Wizards continue to collect fuel. Their side is a little bereft of fuel, but they're going to do the best they can to make every fuel go from their side through that hub back into that neutral territory. That whistle brings us back into in-game. It's a close game. We're within 10 points. Every fuel is going to matter, and it looks like speed matters more than anything else. FOX mastering their craft. They've got an open field. They're going to take as much space and time as they need to score those points. Wired Wizards shooting, scoring, but they've got their accuracy just a little off. Titanium Tigers looks like they're having trouble scoring, so this is all going to come down to these two robots pushing that fuel as this match comes to a close. Let's see those results. Let's see those results. Red Alliance will take the victory and continue in this tournament. They've put up 103 points. Blue Alliance only getting to 84 points scored. Red Alliance we will see very soon in this next round of play. Unfortunately, that means we have to say goodbye to Alliance number 5, our Blue Alliance. So let's hear it one more time.